This tutorial is about understanding comparative pricing. To begin with, you'll need to log into the website at mobiletechrx.com. Start in the Users section, select a username, and on the pop-up, scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure that comparative pricing is enabled. If you changed it, make sure to click the Save Changes button. From there, you'll need to log out of the app and back into it to make sure your changes stay in effect. Once you put in a year, make, model, preferably with a VIN number, then comparative pricing will be all active. You can find it in the services screen at the full list to the bottom right. The phone and tablet look identical. The NADA book value requires a VIN number to be in. The panel prices require that a labor rate be set. Make sure that you have your labor rate all set. If you need to change it, click the box and change to your present labor rate. The percentage calculator next to the NADA book value, you can lower that percentage down to where you know your insurance company totals their cars. That gives you the grand total that you need to keep your estimate under. You can see the prices on each individual panel just by scrolling through the list. The rails and quarters are figured as a repair, not a replace. Anytime you have questions about how it's figured, press the I up at the top, and that will bring in the instructions on how we have configured the pricing for every panel. Anytime you see a blue dot next to the camera or the pages, click on that and that will bring up an X-ray photo for the photos. That is a photo of the backside of any panel. Door skin off if we acquired it. Quarter panels removed or interior trims removed, whatever way we can get them. These also come from our users, and you can submit photos and notes to photos@mobiletechrx.com. Notes will be any relevant note about that panel. Comparative pricing can also be found in the Hail section. When you are in an individual panel in the repair screen, you see the CP at the top, and that is specific to just that panel. You can also find that in the price addent. So as you're doing your large damage on the sides, you can know the cost of that conventionally replaced panel. This concludes understanding comparative pricing. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Please like us and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube page.